May appointment ako ngayon guys sa doktor. Same din ng asawa ko guys dahil kuhanan ako ng dugo guys. Kasi ititest kung meron akong thyroid. Dahil yung aking buhok ay nanlagas guys. At iti-check kung ano ang mayroon ako. So, pupunta kami ngayon dahil ang aming appointment is 10:45 AM. So, kasama namin si Sawyer at magpapa-blood drawn din yung asawa ko guys. Same kami. Tapos na guys kami. Galing na kami guys sa Revere Health. Galing na doon dahil yan napakuha siya ng blood, ng dugo at saka ako din guys. Doon ako, yan. Siguro sabi ng doktor Friday pa daw ang result. Noon, so Friday pa kami sabihan. Lagot kay ni siya. Oh. This is not a book. It's a tape. Oh, see? Oh. What now? Kakain kami guys ng brunch dito sa Dennis. Dahil never pa kami nakapag almusal at lunch. Dahil nag-fasting nga kami. Inunan kami ng dugo kanina. So, ayan oh. Dennis guys. Si Sawyer. Oh, there's police. Give me this one.
Look.
Firefighters.
Fire truck. Here it comes.
May emergency, guys.
Alright, there it is. Here it comes. Look right there. There you go.
Diyan kami guys kakain. You have the key?
Yeah.
Breakfast namin guys. Sawyer. Oy. Pancake. Ayan guys, ang cherry. Magkano siya? Ayan, $13.99. So, kailangan natin mamili na maganda. So, ayan guys. Only one?
No, get two.
Get two. I don't know which one. This one? This one, maybe?
Yeah.
So, ayan.
That's good.
So, yan guys, yung aming cart na pinamili.
Sorry, did you hear that mommy or two?
Toot.
You want me to try to find the pancakes real quick?
Yeah. Naghanap guys ng asawa ko ng pancake ni Sam. Hindi na kami sumama doon kasi sobrang traffic dahil maraming cart. Hintayin lang namin siya dito guys. Ayan si Sawyer. Ayan guys, nag-check out na si Habi. Tapos na kami, guys. Meat first or?
The meat will go down there.
Is it good? There's chocolate thingy.
Very good. I need to throw it away. I'm done.
Chickens. Yung mga...
Hold on, Sawyer.
He said he wants pizza.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
He's very demanding.
We have to wait till we get home.
1 eggs. Ito guys, $2.98 lang.
Pull the basket back so I can get across.
Pizza. Nice pa niya guys. Put it back. Oh my God, pupunta pa kami ata. Pupunta pa ata kami guys sa chiropractor. Para mag-adjust. Para sa aming adjustment guys. Dito na kami guys sa bahay.
Real quick, I need to tell you something. I almost had my period today.
You're crazy.
Because my abdomen...
Come on guys. Help us. Quiet.
No, but I thought when Daddy said that, I thought we were actually going to have it. I was like,
How? You're crazy.
I wanted to...
We prank you guys.
I was so...
Daddy prank you.
Hot? You gonna do a hot cocoa? Because I was like, yes, another chance
That's
for
it.
me to have a baby sister.
Sister.
Yeah, because I want a sister. Smile. She wants to smile.
Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Tapos na kami mag-grocery. Mamaya, babalik muna kami. Mamaya, guys, is 5 o'clock appointment namin sa chiropractor. Pumunta na lang kami doon. So, yun, guys. May orange kaming nabili. May lemonade.
Are we allowed to eat the
May dalawang box na chips. Ito. At saka ito. Bumili rin kami ng dalawang eggs. So, 24 eggs sa isang tray. Tapos, chocolate, milk, hot cocoa for Shelton and Sam. Tapos, orange juice. Yung ibang orange juice is andun na sa kabilang fridge. Tapos, downy, seaweed. Tapos, orange, kiwi. Tapos, bumili pa ulit kami ng isang
pizza on your plate.
cherry at mango.
And kiwi. We love kiwi.
At isang box ng pizza from Costco, guys. Bumili rin kami ng dalawang pinya kasi malapit na siyang maubos nung isang araw na kinat ko. Tsaka Kleenex, pangpunas ng ilong. Tapos, dalawang boxes ng pancakes para kay Sam at cucumber. So, yun lahat ang aming pinamili, guys. What happened?
So I want pizza. Do you allow...
Give him the pizza.
Okay.
Okay, give him pizza.
You have to ask
He
Mommy
want
first.
pizza.
You have to
Susu
ask
want
Mommy.
pizza, yeah?
Yeah, baby. Pizza.
Yan. Yan yung pizza ng Costco, guys. Oh, wow. Ang laki, diba? Kakain na daw sila.
Here.
Wow.
So big, baby.
Yummy. Ako, yung
I miss
leftover
water
lang
so
na,
much.
yung leftover, huh?
Bro, I had no water at school.
Leftover lang na pork chop ang kakainin ko mamaya, guys, with the rice.
I did a
Bahala sila sa pizza. Basta ako, rice, guys. Rice ang gusto ko.
Bro, my teacher's so strict, he doesn't even let us get water.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, how come?
We put on a tag, we put on this lanyard. It says what we're going to, and we put it on a computer. How many minutes we have to go for? Like for the bathroom, we have 5 minutes. And
You have time?
In 5 minutes, then you don't. Then you get in trouble. And like for the library, you get about like 20 minutes.
Oh, wow. At bumili pala
You
ako
have to
ng
ask the
carrots,
teacher where
guys.
you're going,
Oh.
and then you can just
Carrots
put on the
at
lanyard,
saka
sign in, and
yung
go.
favorite
Ask
nila na
security.
yugi.
So I take people to go to the
So,
going to school. I have
ilagay ko muna to sa mga lalagyan nila, guys.
I have a lanyard.
Nauna na ako dito sa sasakyan, guys. Ay, naka-open, naka-close pala. So, maghintay ako dito na sa asawa ko, guys, dahil nagtatago ako ngayon. Ano to? Nandito ako sa labas ng bahay, guys. Nagtago ako para hindi ako makita ni Sawyer. Kasi papunta na kami, guys, ng chiropractor. Unlock, Hanbe?
Oh, where are you? I've been looking for you. Where are you?
I'm here.
Star Wars headed to the car. We had to hold it aside.
I have to hide because
You there? Right to the thing.
of Sawyer.
Okay.
Nagtiniil na ang buringog. Nako. Hinihintay ko lang yung asawa ko, guys. So, dito na kami, guys. Ayan yung Coral Canyon Joint and Spine Health. Kausap pa yun kausap pa ng asawa ko yung brother niya. 5 o'clock yung ano namin case appointment. So, ito, guys. Tapos na ako mag half bath. So, ayan. Nagtutupi ako ng mga towels, guys. Hindi ako nakapagtupi niya na dahil sobrang busy namin ng asawa ko kasi pumunta kami ng doktor. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Costco. Pumunta kami ng chiropractor. So, hi, salamat guys. Tapos na rin sa chiropractor dahil talagang nagtitiis ako ng 1 month. So, worth it naman guys dahil hindi na siya sumasakit. Na-adjust na. Makatulog na ako ito ng mahimbing. So, yung sa blood test pala guys, ang result nun is Friday pa daw. So, yung blood test na yun ay para sa thyroid, kung mayroon akong thyroid at saka ano pa yung dalawa. 3 tube ng dugo ang kinuha sa akin guys. Ang sakit guys, parang more than pa sa sa langgam. So, kinaya ko naman siya. Kaya natagalan kami kaya doon dahil may nahimatay dahil nga sa karayom guys. Natakot ata. So, buti na lang guys, yung husband ko is takot yun siya sa karayom. Pag dito sa sa arm niya, kinukuhanan siya ng dugo. Takot yan siya pero nakaya niya. I'm glad na hindi siya nahimatay guys. So, hintayin ko lang yung result ng aking dugo. Kasi nga guys, mga ko na ito nainda, mga 1 month na siguro. Dahil yung buhok ko guys, nagulat ako. Pag naliligo ako, ang dami talaga siyang guys, ang daming natanggal. Tapos pag nakahiga din ako sa sa gabi, tulog ako, pagka kinaumagahan guys, pag nakita ko ang daming buhok talaga. Tapos yung dito ko guys, makati siya. Tapos namaga, 2 kong arm namaga. Pero ngayon hindi siya namaga. Kaya talagang sabi ko sa asawa ko, punta tayo ng Dr. Han dahil hindi ko na kaya tong paglalagas ng buhok ko. Baka pa ang resulta nito. So, kailangan kong ipa-check to kung talaga kung bakit nanglalagas yung aking buhok. Sabi ng mama ko kasi sa Pilipinas, daw, bughat. Oo, doon bughat ang sabi. Dito kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko alam dito. Basta sabi ng sister-in-law ko, thyroid, baka daw mayroon akong thyroid kasi sa kanya daw dati. Nagaganyan daw, naglalagas yung kanyang buhok. So, let's see guys sa Friday kung ano yung magiging resulta ng aking dugo. So, hanggang dito lang guys ang aking video. Thank you guys for watching. At saka salamat pala sa lahat na nasubscribe sa aking channel. At salamat sa lahat ng mga silent viewers at sa mga new subscribers. Maraming salamat